Today's chief guest and esteemed Governor of Andhra Pradesh, Sri Abdul Nazir ji, has arrived at this premises.
ఈనాటి కార్యక్రమ ముఖ్య అతిథి గౌరవనీయులైన ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ రాష్ట్ర గవర్నర్ శ్రీ అబ్దుల్ నజీర్ గారు ఈ ప్రాంగణంలోకి విచ్చేశారు.
Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu, has received esteemed Governor and is introducing senior civil and police officials. Sri K. Vijayanand IAS, Chief Secretary to Government, Sri C.H. Dwarka Tirumal Rao IPS, Director General of Police of Andhra Pradesh, Sri Mukesh Kumar Meena IAS, Principal Secretary to Government, Srimati B. Rajkumari IPS, Inspector General of Police, Dr. G. Lakshmi Shah IAS, Collector and District Magistrate, Sri S.V. Rajshekhar Babu IPS, Commissioner of Police, Vijayawada. Honorable Governor is requested to unfurl the national flag. All the spectators are requested to stand and officers in uniform to salute. Flag assistant is J. Srinivas Rao, Reserve Inspector.